Tesla stock has been on a tear recently, and the demand for electric vehicles is once again on the rise. Tesla is on the forefront and the leader in the production of electric vehicles, which is simply bullish and great news for Tesla stock. And as Congress is pushing for green energy and electric vehicles more and more, people are buying Tesla cars. In fact, in an article written by Yahoo Finance, it claimed you can now buy a Tesla Model 3 for as little as $22,000 if you qualify for the $7,500 tax rebate. In fact, I'll drop the article's link in my description for anyone who may want to read it. I encourage you to take advantage of the federal and state incentives, which would allow you to save money if you are on the market for a new Tesla vehicle. This is not the only great news I am going to talk about in today's video. In fact, in a recent article written by the Wall Street Journal, it states that Elon Musk recently announced that he plans on opening another factory in Mexico. This would only benefit the production of vehicles and speed up the turnaround time of the completion of Teslas. I will also leave the link in my description for anyone who may want to check this out. This is exactly what we want to hear from a successful company. Tesla is not only expanding, but it is also catching up to the demand of people wanting to buy new Tesla cars or any type of Tesla products. Stick around towards the end of the video. I will also announce some really great news for Tesla and its stock. Stockholders have been benefiting so far after countless of great and bullish news up in the air. Tesla stock has been on a roller coaster this year, and investors like myself are loving it. And for those who don't know, Tesla stock is currently selling at $224 during the recording of this video, which is insane because just 1 month ago it was at the $160 mark, which is up just a little bit over 30% in the past month. And guess what? Tesla stock is up a staggering 107% since the beginning of this year. At the start of this year, it was selling for $110. Huge shout out to everyone who bought the dip on Tesla stock and got a chance to buy it at these low prices during the start of this year. This stock is showing no signs whatsoever of slowing down. In fact, Tesla stock is up a staggering 960% in the last 5 years. I do know that past performance does not indicate the future performance of a stock, but I still believe that Tesla stock could give you a run for your money. If you missed on getting into Tesla stock years ago, don't worry because I am confident Tesla still has a long way to go. I'm definitely not missing out on this boat, and I hope you're not either. If you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to your boy, and why not like this video while you're at it. And feel free to comment below any video ideas you guys want me to post in the near future. Thanks. Many of you guys watching this video may be asking this following question. Is it a good time to buy? This is a difficult question since I can't time travel into the future and tell you guys the truth. But my plan is to dollar cost average into this stock, and I plan on waiting for a pullback to scoop up some shares. I often encourage people to dollar cost average into any quality growth stock or tech stock, as they tend to be way much volatile compared to other stocks. They may be more risky, but the reward is definitely much higher, and sometimes you simply have to risk it to get the business. And for those who don't know the meaning behind dollar cost averaging into a stock, let me answer that question for you. It means instead of purchasing a stock with all of your money all at once at the moment, you instead continue to buy a small percentage regularly. This could be monthly, weekly, or even daily. And this is by far the safest option and the safest way to invest your money because you get to take advantage of buying the stock when it's down and on a discount. It also helps prevent you from buying the stock at the top when they are much more expensive and a bit more risky. I could see Tesla getting close to the $300 mark if the economy continues to recover, and if it does, I would not be surprised to see Tesla stock in the $500 mark next year. With this momentum that Tesla has going on at the moment, I honestly believe that Tesla stock could once again hit $600 as soon as next year. But for all this to happen, the economy would just have to be doing great, and Tesla just needs to keep it up and continue to dominate the electric car industry. With that being said, I will slowly be increasing my current position and adding more of this amazing stock on a consistent basis, and I actually plan on buying a chunk if it ever does pull back in value. Even though Tesla stock is one of my highest stock holdings and has a pretty big holding in my stock portfolio, I plan on adding more of this company because you can never have enough of a stock, especially Tesla stock. I believe in this company, and I believe this stock will have an amazing outcome in the future and for years to come. Being bullish would be an understatement if Tesla and Elon just simply continues the insane work and keeps up the great work. This video isn't sponsored and your boy is still not monetized, so make sure you use my referral links down in my description for free stocks or even free crypto when signing up. That way you and I will get rewarded, and shout out to you if you actually use them. Anyways, based on all of my analysis and projections, I see Tesla stock continue to rally upwards if Elon Musk could stay out of all of the drama. But all jokes aside, I see Tesla stock as a great stock to hang on to for the future and for the near future. I see it as a great moneymaker because green energy and electric vehicles are being promoted more and more. and Tesla is out there to meet the people's and government's demand. I do in fact believe that Tesla stock will drop down a little bit anytime soon before a crazy upward push. So I'm expecting a little pullback anytime soon, because let's be honest now, stocks can't go up straight forever, and as much as I wish, that isn't realistic. But when that day comes when Tesla stock drops in price, I will be right there buying more on a discount. But until then, I will be simply dollar cost averaging into this amazing stock, slowly but surely increasing my current position and slowly adding more Tesla stock to my stock portfolio. Tesla stock is one of those stocks I plan to hold in my stock portfolio for the long run. It is one of my long-term plays, and I'm planning on holding onto the stock for years to come. I plan on keeping Tesla stock for decades to come, and I honestly think that Tesla is a good quality stock with enormous potential. It has so much growth left and so much work to do. Elon Musk seems to be on a mission to save the world, and cars is not the only thing he plans to do. Elon Musk has great plans for the future, from Tesla's robotaxi hitting the market in the near future to having an assistant robot following you around doing chores. The future of Tesla seems to be brighter day by day, and there is so much potential for growth and money to be made. And you cannot have asked for a much better leader running the show. Elon Musk is an ambitious leader and a pioneer in the electric car industry. I would not be surprised if I see Tesla on Mars one day. I mean, he already sent a Tesla into space. Holding on to Tesla stock will be rewarding for all of the stockholders in the future and for people who purchase the stock before it blows up. I can't wait for the future of Tesla stock and for all of the growth it has left. So I advise you to not miss this opportunity, because one day you may be looking back at this moment, regretting that you didn't buy more Tesla stock. Trust me, I've been there before with Bitcoin, but that's for a different type of video. And as always, none of this is financial advice. This is simply my overall opinions and my thoughts on Tesla stock. There will always be risk involved whenever you invest your hard-earned money, so please make sure you do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions, as they could come back and haunt you later in life. But with doing research, you can limit and even prevent your losses. Tesla seems to be a safe and wise investment for the upcoming years, but do your own research and don't take my advice to YOLO into a stock. With that being said, I hope you guys liked today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and comment below any questions or any thoughts you may have, and check out these two videos you may actually be interested in. It's been your boy Kendrick, and I'm out. Peace.